Hello guys, welcome back. So on this video I'm making a box braiding with this beautiful pre-stretched hair extension. Yeah, it's called easy braid. Indeed it's easy braid. So I'm using it is 4 in number here. I have already used one, so it's remaining 3, but I used one full pack and half to make her hair. So I'm making this my beautiful ebony black beauty. Oh my god, her black beauty is top notch. So guys, if it's your first time of seeing my video, thank you so much for stopping by. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys, thank you so much. So at the end of this video, if you like what you see, if you enjoyed the video, if you like to see more of my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe on that red button that says subscribe, on the bell notification, so that whenever I upload a new video you get the notification. Okay, and please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. It's not by force, I know you like the video. Give me a thumbs up. um Leave a comment on the comment section what you think about the hair, whether you have used the hair extension before, your review about the hair, basically everything about the hair. If you have used it before, just leave a comment on the comment section. And share the video. It's also possible to share the video so that other people will also see it. Okay, so guys, I will see you later. Just let's continue the braiding. Okay, thank you. guys, if you see how happy I am whenever I'm making the last braid, oh my god, I'm so happy. So I'm putting this fancy golden bead on her hair. She said I should put it for her, and indeed it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Just look at that hair. The color is kind of black mixed with sky blue. Yeah, so beautiful. I like the hair. I like the hair extension. I mean, the color really matched her skin color. Yeah. So guys, I know if you have watched upon this time, you have subscribed, right? Even if you have not, please, I beg you with the name of God, please, just subscribe. You see it there on that red button that says subscribe. Okay, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video. If you have any suggestion or any correction, you are free on the comment section. Just do it, okay? So let's continue. So guys, here is the final look. As you can see, the hair is so beautiful and so long. Yeah, look at the color. Oh my god, I feel like carrying this hair, put it on my own hair. I'm just kidding. So guys, I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.